Hello everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do 10 minutes of some of my favorite and most effective vocal warmups. As always, take a moment to check in with your alignment and your breath to ensure optimal relaxation and support. Let's begin with a few gentle yawn sighs. This is where we begin a yawn, but we'll sigh out instead of completing the yawn. Now, real yawns are great too. Feel that relaxed stretch in the mouth and throat. I always like to do some lip trills or bubbling as I start my vocal warm-ups. Let's try the following pattern. I'm really gliding through the notes rather than trying to be super accurate. We want to have steady airflow and just get the voice going. Now let's sing a descending ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, like ho-ah-ee-ah-oh. Keep everything very rounded and relaxed. Here we go. Ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, 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 Let's check in with our low range as we sing on ya, ya, ya. Ya, 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 and go. Ya, ya, ya. 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 Let's spend a little bit more time on some vocal glides. Let's sing on a v sound, like and go. on to a zooey-ooey-oo, like zooey-ooey-ooey-ooey. This brings the brightness of the E in with the relaxation of the oo. Here we go. Zooey-ooey-ooey-ooey-ooey. 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 This next vocal warm-up works on efficiency, ensuring the vocal folds are coming together fully. We can sing on E-A, like E-A, your turn, E-A, At this point in a vocal warm-up, I like to do a little bit of easy flexibility. Let's sing on money, money, mo, like money, 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 mo. This short vowel m gives us the opportunity to ensure that the upper lip has some lift and life in it without bringing any excess tension in. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 Let's work now to engage the breath as we sing yo ho ho. We want a little bit of space in between sounds as well as some space in the back of the mouth. Feel free to move to ya ha ha as we get higher. It sounds like this. Yo ho 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 and go. Yo ho 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 ho. 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 Finally, let's do a full octave arpeggio on Z-ah, like Z. Keep the breath steady, the mind free of judgment, and the jaw relaxed. Here we go. a big sigh down. Thank you so much for warming up with me today. I appreciate it when you like my videos, when you comment on my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I put a new video out. I will see you next time.